we're in Broome, and we've got here about an hour or so ago. A bit early for check-in at, well, we booked into a caravan park, so it's a bit early for check-in, so we're just sort of checking everything out. But this is Roebuck Bay Lookout. Bloody good little lookout, little walkway, ramp the whole way up actually, and yeah, really good lookout. But we've got a couple of hours to spare before we can check in, so we're going to check out, I think, what's the Streeters Jetty. We're going to try and get the caravan down there. We'll see how we go, but that's where we're going to be taking the caravan. See how we go with that. Anyway, we're in Broome. Oh, unfortunately, Streeters Jetty is closed. It's a bit of a bugger. We're having pretty good luck at this little trip. The half of Carragini was closed. The bloody, what do they call it? Kalbarri Skywalk was closed, but oh, you get that. Means good things are coming, hopefully. But check out these little sand sculptures they got going on here. They're pretty cool. I like them. Pretty wicked, them. Anyway, I don't know where we're going to head to now. All these bloody road works happening here, so it's a bit of a pain for us in the caravan, but as I was saying, good things are happening, so I'm going to have to get back here, I guess, when it's all done. Well, this is our little spot, number one, at the Broome Vacation Village. Little caravan park, which looks alright. Good little spot, and now we can do some stuff now. We've dumped the trailer. We can get out and about and not get worried about getting stuck somewhere. So we'll just do a little bit of finishing touches here, chuck the solar panel in the sun and see how we go, I guess. We got smashed last night by mozzies, so pulling out all the stops here. We've got citronella oil that we've got in a little, I don't know, diffuser sort of thing. Oil garden. Oil garden. But there's loads of bugs still in here, so we just open a little patch there. Got the oil on, we're going to try and blow them all out if we can. And, on another note, we got some freebies today as well. While parking at the back of, who is it, Coles? Woolies. Parking at the back of Woolies. We, that's where the caravan spot is. They bloody wheeled out a trolley full of bread, which, check all that out. They're going to chuck it in the dumpsters there, but they just leave it in the trolleys, which is bloody awesome. Checking all the dates on them too. It's 24th today, I think it is. 25th, is it, Soch? Yeah, 25th. But check that out. Yeah, 25th today. It was baked yesterday. It's 27th of May, the best before. I ain't gonna argue with that. So we got 2 loaves of bread and heaps of these little sourdough bakery things. Freeze one of the breads and eat one of the breads, and I don't know what we're gonna do with these sourdough things, but maybe do a cob loaf or something. But anyway, that's a good thing. Check that old Holden out. That's pretty bloody cool, that thing. 4-wheel drive Holden wagon. Anyway, we're at Ganthium Point. I don't know if you can hear with this wind. It's bloody windy down here, but beautiful little beach. Tourist stuff everywhere. Broome whale watching buses everywhere. But it's a wicked little beach. You can see how far these tides come in. It's Ganthium Point Beach. But I think we're going to trek over the other side because Soch has found some dinosaur footprints or something. We'll check that out, I guess. Nature's window sort of thing that you got to crawl under to get to the beach, I think. Watch the boss go first.
With the right coloured shorts, isn't it? Hey. Oh my God.
She's got it. I don't know how we're going to make it back, but check out all these rocks. Well, there's a load of canoers down there. Do you reckon they get to see the dinosaur print? So there it is. We found it. It's bloody pretty big, pretty decent. Anyway, waiting for Soch. She got left behind because it's just taking too long. But that's a decent little dinosaur print, isn't it? Don't know why he's trying to walk towards the ocean. Idiot. It's right there.
It's there, isn't it?
Where?
Where is it? No, it's not. There it is.
Hey.
I think I'm stupid.
Bit of a slow learner, this one. So we found that one. I don't know if you can see this on the phone. Dinosaur footprints. But just up from there, dinosaur prints, 3-toed 5 prints, which is somewhere up that way. So we'll see if we can get on the hunt for them. Just comparing her feet size.
Must have been quite a small dinosaur.
I don't know what all this blue stuff is, but it's everywhere. Soch reckons it might be eggs.
Caviar.
Caviar? I highly doubt it. Anyway, we're going to abandon the look for the other ones because apparently it's on very low tides and it looks like the tide's coming in, so...
We best get out of here.
Yep. Yep, let's get out of here. That was Ganthium Point, and now we're just... Oh, it's bloody hot. 33 or something. Now we're just loading the car up, got the Weber in there, grabbing some gear for pizzas, and we're going to head down to Cable Beach and set up on the beach, watch the camels walk past and cook a little pizza up, I guess. Anyway, let's get down there. We're getting there. There's the infamous camels. There's loads of them too.
There's different colours, but you remember we went on red, I think.
Yeah. Anyway, thanks mate. So I'm hoping we get a good sunset. Have the sunset with the camels walking in front of us. That's the blue ones. And yellow ones up ahead. What do I think? I reckon it might be a good sunset with that little bit of cloud there. But anywho, there's about 20-30 metres just in front of us there. It looks like that's where the camels walk, so if we park up there, whack our pizza on. So there's our little pizza we're going to whack on. Soch has made that. Looks beautiful, and I got the job of cheesing it, so I went all out. She reckons she's on a diet, but
I can have a slice.
not with that much cheese. Anywho, the camels are up, so it shouldn't be too long before they're walking out in front of us here. I think they go every hour, do they, Soch?
There's three sessions. I think there's one during the day, one just before sunset, and then one at sunset. But the one at sunset's an hour, and I don't really know how I feel about sitting on a camel for an hour.
Yeah. Yeah, no good.
The rest of them, I think, are about half an hour. We done the half an hour one pre-sunset.
But anyway, we'll wait for him to walk past and see if we can get a nice photo, nice video as well. Bloody happy days there. Having a beer, watching the blue camels go past. Oh, the pizza's pretty much ready. It's bloody good here, Cable Beach. Really good. Well, I'm going to stop dribbling here because it's turned into a beautiful night. We'll try and whack this on a little time lapse. Sit down, have a beer, enjoy that pizza, and just enjoy it. It's a bloody beautiful night. Anyway, I hope this time lapse turns out pretty good. sunset was nothing special, but beautiful night, beautiful pizza. And what do you reckon? 10 out of 10. So yeah, Cable Beach, definitely rated. Stunning spot here. So that's it. We're all done here at the Broome Vacation Village Caravan Park, which was all right. It was nothing special. I don't know how much Soch paid. I'll try and put it in a little thing down here somewhere. But really close to the road, and I mean, there's trucks driving up and down there all night, which is a bit of a pain. But good sleep, hot shower, got rid of this crap on my face, so can't complain about that. But it's bloody windy today in Broome. I don't know if you can see that. The trees are just going off, and there she is, taking her time. We're going to slowly head up to Cape Leveque and spend a couple of days up there, I think, which are all free camps. So can't wait to get up there and do some fishing too. So this is me from the future, past, future, I think. But anyway, sorry for the short episode. It was a bit of a bugger in Broome because we were sort of preparing for the Gibb River, which is coming up, and sort of trying to film at the same time, which is a bit of a pain, but made something work. We put something together, got a little video out, and really appreciate you guys watching. It's bloody good, and all the hints and tips you're sort of giving us in the comments, it's really helping us a lot. So if you see something, let us know, because we're new to all this caravanning world and everything's helping us out. So thanks a lot, guys. Cheers.